Let's take a look at today's fascinating machines. High energy density lasers. Instantaneous temperature can reach 10,000 degrees. For this fly, it's already very difficult to preserve an exoskeleton. Holographic 3D projection floating fan. It works by high-speed rotation of LED lights, allowing the human eye to achieve a visual persistence effect, thus forming an image, a vascular imaging device. It can use near-infrared light to see the distribution of subcutaneous blood vessels. Underwater propulsion backpack forms thrust by agitating water, greatly improving the speed of divers underwater. CNC high-precision repair technology can achieve 0.1 mm precision cutting. It can make scratched car wheel hubs as shiny as new after repair. Moderate laser energy can cause dirt to expand from heat, reducing its adhesion to the wall, finally separating from the wall surface. The fully automatic baler can automatically emit strapping and complete the tightening of the strapping through the tensioning wheel, greatly improving production efficiency. The only disadvantage is that it's prone to jamming. The principle of the Onkey rotary hook is through a high-speed rotating impeller, accelerating and then decelerating the gas, then forming a strong pressure, achieving the flipping of the pants. A ceiling grinder can improve wall flatness, enhance the appearance of the roof. A sprayer can pressurize and atomize the paint, then spray it evenly on the wall. It greatly improves work efficiency. The reason welding robots are so powerful is because they have 20 arms. Some machines may look simple, but they get the job done without any ambiguity. Compared to the legendary dragon-slaying sword and the iron-cutting longmen sword, it's hard to say which one is superior. Smart laser weeders. First use AI technology to accurately identify weeds and pests, then emit high-energy lasers to remove them directionally. It significantly improves agricultural production efficiency. Using a flamethrower can remove stains and aging layers from stadium seats and change the color and texture of the seats. When machines achieve ultimate precision, they also possess the ultimate visual beauty. That's all for today's story. Time to save the world.